Era 28 అయిపోయింది. Yeah.
Sir, பண்ணிக்கு sir.
Yeah. Ankush,
Anji sir.
can we start?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir. Please, please.
Okay. Good morning, all the coaches, those who are joining with us in the online coaches educational program organized by the Sports Authority of India and as well as Volleyball Federation of India. Coaches, thank you very much for joining. This is my last class. I am going to take this today is a management on the coaches. How that you will manage? What mean by manage? We already seen many coaches are giving many things because Daljit Singh was saying that analysis is important. Yes, important. Paramesh is telling that test and measurement is important. Yes, important. Atyagara is telling planning is important. Yes, important. And then people says that all the skill is important. Yes, I am having a shop. In that shop, I am having all the things I am having, all the things I can sell, but I should know how I will manage to sell. Then only my product will go everything. Because if I having very good player, I am having very good plan, I had a very good test and measurement, and I had a very good and then I had a very good analyzing. I analyzed the previous matches also, previous tournament also. I should know how I am going to manage the before the competition, in the competition, after that what I am going to do in the what I am going to do with my team performance analyzing. That's what the important for me that I am going to speak to you. That all know that managing the team just before the competition and in the competition and during the match. What are all things are there? It is very heavy. I maybe had a training for 3 months, 100 days, or I may have 6 month training. I had a very good plan. I had done everything. I kept all the things for my players. The food, the accommodation, the training method, the coaches helping them, the psychological, the physiological, the medical, everything they are helped them to bring that. But I am waiting for my result. What? I have to manage my things. What I can, what else I can. It is very essential. All the coaches should know that whether you are with the national team or you are with the state team or you are with the departmental team or with the university team or a college team or the school team or private club. Everybody says, coach said, sir, I prepared very well, sir. But unfortunately, my team does not coming up to the higher level. I don't know why. That is called management. Of things you are making on your management. How you are going to bring your team. Achievement. The coach in charge of developing, managing, and controlling, preparing for competition, managing during the competition, and analyzing, evaluating the match which I finished, which I am going to perform tomorrow or next day. What mean by preparing the team for competition? I have plenty of time preparation. They say that one or stage two, preparatory one, preparatory two, pre-competition, building. I prepared the team very well before the but the before the competition me Whatever things I had to make as a coach, had a head coach, as a in charge of everything in my hand, some lose. Sometimes I'm not achieving what I want. Sometimes my players are not enough to do that maximum level. Why? It comes after the match. During a match, what I am going to do? How I am going to help? What kind of things are there for helping? What is the substitution I am going to make? What is where the timeout I am going to make? What are all things I am going to manage? Every time, only thing that coach has to do positive things. Always think positive. Tell positive things to the player, and we will succeed in all the way, because you are already on 100 days. I trained my team. I needed results down because my management should be perfect on that. It's a more than 2 hours. You are main making everything. You know the team. You know the percentage what you are going to give, and everything you know preparing. But more than that, the coaching. Okay, I made it today in my plan. Today is blocking. What kind of blocking? Very good. Chavan sir was telling. Very good things he has done. Why he being zone 6 libero, and then why he brought that universal for reception, and then what the signals he has given 1 and 2. These are all things on plan. Okay, but coaching is very, very important. And then scouting involves also scouting other teams and my team, managing the matches. Among the other things, here we will discuss the duties of the coach. What the duties of the coach? Simply team. I have 3 assistant coaches are there. Everybody having one. Everybody fulfill their duty. Everybody should be on the target, because we have India, 130 crore of people. Okay, 15 lakhs of volleyball players. Okay, we have near about 1,500 coaches. Very good. But all the people has to manage themselves to bring the performance into the higher level. And then the coaches preparing the team prior to the match. Coaches has to always thinking that games also, because the coach is in charge for everything. He knows that how to prepare. Very important thing, because everybody says I am going for a coaching class. Okay, coaches, but it is not necessary. Also should know what is going on in the national team. What is the training in the national team to make in my team? I am having a college team. I am very happy to make my college team. This is the step that which are taken by the Sai and Vashan. Making yourself, refresh yourself, making some educational program online, so that your management is good, that you will be achieving your goal. Proper management of the team in all the 3 stages required. What is the 3 stage? Pre-competition, before that, and in the competition, and as well competition, making, analyzing, and taking your team some more higher grade. And then it requires knowledge of the team tactics, physical and psychological abilities of the team. You should have more coach, because I am always telling, everybody having own touch. Kill the ball, they want to play and go. but only coach should say about everything, about the physical, about the tactics, about the psychological things, about what are all things in outside. We have to manage the administration level also. What kind of things we needed? What is the things are needed? Everything has to be managed by the simply saying, I am going one day before the camp in Bangalore because the Ankush Katoj was my quad. Okay, I will tell him, Ankush, I need this thing. Okay, he is also invitation. He says, okay, sir, I will do it. This is why I have to manage before I start the camp. Before I start, I have knowledge, but still I need the people should work with me for my coaching and make my team into the higher level.
Sridhar sir,
It is not possible. Yeah.
Rakesh,
Yes.
voice break ಆಗುದು ಸರ್.
Break out. பாருங்க இப்போ
சார் பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது பிரேக் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு.
எப்படி இல்லையே கரெக்டா இருக்கு இந்த அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. Sorry, some break is going on.
Okay sir, continue.
Okay, now I'll speak that. See that if not only one coach is doing all for achievement and all. No, with coach we needed many people. If you see Iran, if you see USA, if you see all in the world, they have minimum of 10 people are working back to the head coach. 10 people are there because two can be assistant coach, can be a physiotherapist, one can be a very good trainer, one can be a medical doctor. Is it coming correct? Voice is coming correct? Hello?
Yes,
Voice
sir,
is coming correct?
Yes sir.
Okay. Yeah, one can be a medical doctor and one administrative manager. One can be a assistant manager and one can be a scout man, video scout man, and one can be analyzer. So many people have to work. It can be taking into the higher level. Okay, head coach is a planner. He has prepared. The coach has to develop the plan, the volleyball to the team advantage. Whatever the rules are there, we have to take it in advantage for the team advantage. So like that you have to manage. When you start managing, whatever the mistakes we are committing on the competition, it should be done again, preparation, training. The basic of the team preparation for the match consists of systematically training, gain and maintain the player's performance. Always systematically, because I have seen the best plan as shown by the Ajay Jangra. The plan, he has shown that. Like that, I had to prepare. I have a time, I have a month, I have a 3 months. I prepared the plan very much systematically and manage. I am managing because before competition and maintain the player's performance. I always keep my players' performance. I have seen first day how the players are doing. Then the training will be given. After the training, how they are making progress, how they are going higher and higher. What is that performance analyzing? How they are going. The result of the match depend upon the various important factors. The result of the match, it is many things are there. It's not only, it's not simply say that today I can go, I can play with the match with Russia and I can win. No, that match is something different. But the preparation, the manage, how you are managed to team, that itself we can show. Before all the things managed and all, first of all in advance, to able to gather all necessary information. This will help create a strong game plan. The more detailed data is, the easier it will be for the coach and the team member to thoroughly analyze. This is a very important scouting. What means scouting? Scouting thinks about analyzing. Very good. But I prefer the scouting more. But I am going to start with the camp for Asian Games or Asian Championship. I should know that what are all teams are participating. Okay, which group I am. In group, how many teams are there? In the team, how many times we played. What is my result? How I am going to get these players and all. I am with the group of China, Japan, or Iran, or Chinese Taipei. I should know that they are doing and making preparation of my team and my plan. It will be very easy if I am getting more and more and more data. Because you all know that coach has come from Serbia, Mr. Dragan Milovic. Along with him, one scoutman. And then one trainer was there. This is the first time what India got it very nice. The three was very good. The scoutman was fantastic. He is giving many things he is giving. Iran, about Chinese Taipei, everything scouting, analyzing he is having. All that he is having. Like that now, yesterday the listing sir was telling Gurujot Singh is having something good that he is preparing the team and all. Yes, needed. So like that, some coaches, young coaches, they can come forward. They can say, sir, I am having material on data of that team, opponent team. Because we should help together. And then if you are analyzing, scouting, before, then you can know that if you have a data, then clearly you can tell the player and very easy, well, they are playing a competition. Match condition. Because, when I am going for match, okay, I have prepared everything, my management was good, I reached, I am going to play. What is the condition of the going to play or from the state where I am going to play? Because I am in Coimbatore. I am having a college team in Coimbatore. I am going to play in Amritsar in the month of January. I have to think that, month of January, Amritsar, very cold. I have to prepare according to that. Time of the day, time of the play, gymnasium size. What kind of gymnasium size? What is that? Very tall height or very big or smaller one? I should know that. Coaches should know that. He should manage that. Behavior of the spectator. This is very important, behavior of the spectator. Sometimes, if you are playing in Iran, all the spectators are for Iran. Nobody will be there for shouting for you. If you are playing in Pakistan, nobody will be there for you supporting. That time, how you are going to play, how you are going to win the match. Because it happened that in, I think in 2004 or 5 or 7 something, we are playing in Pakistan, soft games. Because Pakistan was in India, I was the head coach, along with me, Om Prakash, Haryana was there. Very good team. We had a big team and we lost first 2 sets. Very much shouting. It was heavy crowd. All the Pakistanis were supporting Pakistan. That is normal in the home team. But we are how to manage. We have managed. Then we got the 3rd set. We got the 4th set. 5th set. Really speaking, it is a fantastic, great game by the Tom Joseph, by the Sanjay Phogat, by Amir Singh, by Ravikant Reddy, by Subbarao. Everybody was there. By Natarajan. So many people were there. So many people had given a very good performance there. And we won that match by 3-2. Very difficult winning a match in Pakistan, winning a match in Iran, because the home crowd, so much of crowd will be there. So we have to see the behavior of the spectators, quality level of opposing team. We have to see what is the quality level. Then only we have to, because I know, I made it analyze before. I know that the team, I'm going to play with Thailand. I'm going to play with Japan. I know the team, and then I should know their quality. Which way they are very good. How that yesterday, day for yesterday, Chawan was telling, fantastic telling he is telling. We know that he is going to hit with diagonal. Then why I should go covering on the line? That is very good. Very good thought. Because Chawan has given a very good experience lecture. And Daljit Singh has given very good lecture. Jangda has given very good lecture. These all lectures you combine. You take the PPT and combine and make your PPT what you want, how you want, how you are going to manage keeping all this PPT preparing your team. Coaches, please see that it is not that one hand can clap, both the hand needed. Like that, many people needed, many coaches needed, many coaches. Always coaches should see that they are positive. Quality level, then quality level of your own team. I should know that if I am playing with Russia, if I am playing with the USA or Brazil, I should know that what kind of quality I am having. How I can, at least I can catch them. I can beat them. It may be not possible today. I can beat them sometime. But today, I should know that how I can stop them, how I can make my point, how I can make a one set. This is the quality of my own team. I should prepare my own team. And then match condition should be known early enough to be able to adapt. Acclimatizing, mostly important for the tournament played abroad under often significantly different condition, because you all should know that if I am playing in China sometimes very cold. So I should reach the 3 days before. I should adaptation needed for me. I should get adapted for my body for the weather, and then conditioning about the indoor, higher or lower or broader, everything different condition. And I match this condition close possible practical preparation. Then especially the timing. When I am going to play Brazil, maybe 10 hours different. So I prepare the plan according to the what time, the Brazilian time I am going to play the match. So this is my management. This is I have to prepare. Sometime it happened, I know that some players, they know very well. We have trained the team in the night 12 o'clock. Even regional director was asking me, what, Sridhar, you are going to play at 12 o'clock here? Yes, sir. We want to train 12 o'clock. We want to have a breakfast at 6 o'clock. We want to have a food at 9 o'clock, because the timing, it differs there. It is there. When we are in Berlin, we played 4.5 hours before. So 4.5 hours before, I had to prepare my things and all. What I can do it? What things I can make it? How my food habit? How the timing? What time I am going to make a weight training? What time I am going to be in the gym for competition? Same thing we have to prepare. That will be very good management for you. Here you can see the managing the team during the game. Arrival. Where arrival? From hotel to the stadium, or wherever you stay for if your university matches. What time you are going to arrival? Minimum of 1.5 hours before my match. My match at 9 o'clock. I should be there at 7:15 into the stadium. Why? I should prepare myself. I should talk with the player. The player should prepare themselves psychologically to play the good match, to win the match. Meeting before the match. Yes, meeting. I prepare, because when we reach at 7 o'clock and then we have a 2 hours, the players will prepare for 20 minutes. Then we have talking with them. What kind of things, simple things we are going to tell, because already we told them analyze and everything. Only tip things we are giving, and then some assistant coaches will speak how they want to see that. Because I had a very good assistant coaches. I have plenty of coaches, they worked with me. We never say assistant coach. They are all coaches with me. They have very good management, especially the women team. Vaishali Vaishali was one of the best management woman player because so many years she played as a setter in India. So many years she dominated as a setter. And she is a very good coach now. She was with me in the Asian Games. I am lucky to have her because I learned many things from her. I learned many things from Naresh Haryana. I learned many things from Rajesh from Jharkhand because they are all the coaches having many thoughts. Because this, why I am telling the meeting before to give them, we have to tell all the coaches should have combined working together because I have seen that many top coaches are working because Chauhan, sometimes Chauhan was with me. I was with Chauhan. I was with Bir Singh. I was with Om Prakash. Many coaches I have seen. Every coaches wants what for? We are coaches. Do you want to lose that? No. Every coaches want to win the match. Every coach want to do something for national team. Every coach want to bring up of the national team so that the management it comes total. Because why I am telling about Vaishali regarding this arrival. So I was talking in the Asian Games. Asian Games we had to travel near about 45 minutes. I told one time because ladies group team. I was the first time ladies with the ladies team. Fantastic team. We have a very good, bright chance on Indian women volleyball. But somebody has to take care and prepare the women team. In that team, I was telling Vaishali before the day, Vaishu, I like that we had to go. Next day morning, I seen that before me, before my room, 10-15 minutes before, Vaishali was standing there. I asked her, what Vaishali, still time is there? No, sir, we are ready. Because the coaches needed doing everything for the betterment of volleyball. Okay, I have a family, I have everything, but keep them back, keep front, only volleyball. When you keep, that will be very good. After meeting the mat, then warming up come. How many minutes you want warming up? What kind of warming up you are going to do? Or you take a longer time or you take a shorter time? How you are going to prepare the team? Because warming up is very essential before going to the competition. A choice of service, and this is because of task, what you want. You want to do service sometime, but very less people are taking service sometime. Because I have seen in South Asian game, Pakistan toss won and they are taken service. Possible, maybe they have a very good server, so they are taken. But we won that point. That was different. General principles of guiding the team during the game. General principle. Only one principle I want to tell all the coaches. Whatever you want, whatever you want to tell, whatever you want to shout, whatever you want to abuse, make it in the training. Make it in the training. In the competition, you are only a man supporting the team for winning. And looking what is happening, where I can tell them, where I can bring again performance little higher, where I can support, that much only I can do. So that only now in the modern volleyball, all the coaches wearing suit, because once we wear tie and blazer, in the mode, it will come very nice words only. So that all the coaches started wearing suit because we cannot tell anything. In timeout, we have 30 seconds. In technical timeout, we have 1 minute. Or we have challenger, we have some time for challenging position and all. Okay, we can tell only 1 or 2 good things, tip we can give them. But the coaches should have more and more passion. Because if you have a very nice mind, brain, cool brain, take them everything, and then it will be. The regulation of the team play, timeout and substitution. When I am going to make a substitution, what kind of, I already planned, I manage in the training itself. The number 9, for that number 8 will go. Because already we know, we have made it the substitution. We prepared for substitution. So that automatically the players will move. So that we have to prepare that. What time I have to take a timeout? Is it necessary that I should take timeout if I am doing very well? Not necessary. Not necessary. It is not hard and fast rule that all the coaches should go for timeout. Compulsorily, you have to take 2 timeouts. No. If you want, you take it. If you don't want, no problem at all. It depends on the coach. Sorry. Because many coaches I have seen, they will keep the timeout after the 20. Not necessary. Not necessary. If opponent team is getting continued 3 points, immediately timeout. To stop them, to stop getting point, to make a side out and getting a point for me. Because I have to know that what kind of things I can make it. These are all I have to manage. And then game plan. The acquired information about the opponent and the coach knowledge are available sources for the formulation of the game plan. An effective game plan should be short and must also maximize strong points of the team and minimize any weakness. Because game plan, before that I told you that before that match I'm going to, in the game plan, it will be a short and it should be a positive thing. We cannot tell the weakness there. Very light. See, if you are not moving, your reception is not good. That much only. But I had to say more and more and more positive thing. And I had to say my plan should be, game plan should be effectiveness when I became very cool. When I am thinking about what is happening in our assistant coaches, my coaches are making very good game plan. And then they are telling, sir, opponent number 6 is receiving very good. My scout man is giving information to me. My video scout man is giving information. The opponent, the reception formation is playing like this. So I can give the tips to the server, make serve in zone number what I want. Because I am going to disturb them on reception or I am going to get a service point on that. Because many coaches, every coaches knows. Every coaches know if I am a game plan, I am not good in game plan, that it's not possible for winning that game, winning the set. I should have some plan on that. I should have some trump card. We say, I am having one player. Always I keep them after 20 because he is a very aggressive boy for attack. If you give them after 20, he will make 3-4 points there because I made it on the training. I managed to make it on the training. These are all things are needed. Everything. Yesterday I have seen Chavan sir lecture. He's won. He has prepared. Zone 6 Libero. And then Universal is receiving. And then blocking system 1 and 2 giving signal. Yes, he is prepared. He was telling. I have seen that. Even I don't know much. But we cannot tell that. We should not take the negative on that. Please take it positive on that. What kind of positive? Why that 6 zone? He has explained very well. Why I am keeping the 6 zone in the Libero in the 6 zone? Because advantage, whatever advantage, see coaches, every small things is advantage for you. People were telling me, sir, rules are changed. Is it advantage? 100% advantage. The rally point has come. It has advantage for Asia. We used to lose with the Europe. We used to lose with the everyone 15-5, 15-7, 15-8. But now 25-23. Sometimes we are winning 25, 26, 24 because there is a chance of rally point. And then you all know that yesterday Daljeet Singh was telling about that scoring elements like service, block and attack. Yes, we are also managing, preparing the training plan, preparing the game plan, preparing the match plan. These 3 technical elements we are giving more and more training because we want to make a point. See, coaches, ultimately, what do you want? Everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to win a point. Everybody wants to win a set. Everybody wants to win a match. And everybody wants to win the tournament. That was successful of the coaches. How you are making a plan. How you are making a game plan. Because everybody having good knowledge. Everybody having valuable sources and formulation of the game plan. Only thing, how you are going to apply. When you are going to apply, what kind of way, what the things of way you are going to find out to make these things and all into success. The game plan maybe include following element. Anticipation of the match result made by comparing the abilities of two teams. Anticipation of the match result. Okay, previously what happened? What are all things they are done? What is the abilities? What is the blocking? What I am having? What is the ability of blocking opponent is having? If I want to tell, if you take Pakistan and India, we have a very good blocking. We have a very good attack, but they have very good universal. Very good universal. That's what P.H. Chauhan was telling in the under 23, also very good universal. Here also very good universal. But we have, this time we had a very good reception too, so that we can beat them in 4 sets. Possibilities. What is the ability of your one team? What is the kind of abilities they are having? The first lineup for both serving and receiving situation. What is the first starting 6? Now starting 7, maybe with Libero. What kind of things you are going to when you are serving, when you are receiving? What is the situation you are going to make? Choice of substitution and reserve players for respective position. Your choice, which player has to substitute to whom? It is not necessary simply I have to make all the full substitution every time in the match. What for? If I am winning, it is not necessary the player. Sometime I have seen, sir, player ने एक भी match नहीं खेला sir, अंदर उतारिए sir. That is not the way. The way is winning the team. We have to go for winning tournament. We have to go for winning the match, not for the satisfaction of the players. No. The coaches always tell my assistant coaches, I listen many times. I listen, sir, matches khatam ho raha hai, ek bar service mein. No, not necessary. Not necessary. It is not that if you are giving chance to him, then only he is a very good player. When you are selecting in the team itself, he is a very good player. When you are selecting 12 players of national team, himself a very good player. So that automatically you know that the players will have to be like that. Postpone, propose the offensive combination, defensive formation. Proportion, you have to make, propose. You already proposed so many combination I am going to play. Which is the combination? Every time I can tell the numbers, I want to play the combination. In defensive formation also, what kind of combination I had to play. These are all you have to prepare. Determination of the game rhythm. Determination. If the game rhythm is going very well, you have to determine. You have to make it that you are going to win. Probable prepared changes in tactics. Yeah, sometimes. One tactics we keep always, it should not be played anytime. It should be played only after 20. Why? Because suddenly unexpected tactics. You have to keep one for making prepared many things. Keep one for your betterment, then you can win a 1 or 2 point. Psychological situation, behavior of the team, reaction of opponents, expected behavior, fighting spirit. These are all comes on psychological. Psychological is very, very, very important in the modern volleyball, in the higher level. Even the school level I have seen, even in the college level I have seen many, many players. It is not necessary that psychological means it is something not removed from the volleyball. It is already there. Their players are preparing. They know that they want to win. They have a fighting spirit. But the day performance, the day, if the day is good, then everything goes good. The day, sometime what happened, you may be prepared very well. You may be done very well. We have done very well. We lost to Pakistan in Asian Championship in 5 sets. We are prepared very well. We lost to Pakistan in the Asian game. Possible. Because coach, what he can do? He can prepare. He can stand. He can stand. He can substitute. But sometimes happen that psychologically players are not ready for winning. Psychologically, sometimes down, or physically, sometimes tired. Physically, maybe they are not ready for the match, or that sometimes happen that stomach something problem. Everything happen. Everything you have to manage. Everything you have to bring into the higher level. The match analyzers, it's the last one. Match analyzing, how? Success of the game plan and its positive, negative quality. You should know that what was the analyzing, what went right, what went negative, what was the good things for me. These are all good things for me. I won the match. These are all good. In the winning match also, sometimes my negative, many things gone. Why it has gone? Where I can stop that? Fulfilling the part of the game plan, each player and hold the team. See, this is the main thing. Coach, what he has prepared game plan, only if you are telling to the player should fulfill the game, which player and whole team has to fulfill the game plan. Then only your game plan is achieved. Because I always say that my game plan is my heart, inside heart. What for? Keeping inside heart, what for? You have to tell the game that going to play, you are going to make, how you are going to make a service, to whom you are going to make a service. You are showing in the game, you are playing, you are also active man in the game. As a head coach and assistant coach is also very active. They are all telling the game plan will be fulfilled by the player and the whole team. Evaluation of the player's performance, behavior during the match. This is very important. Very, very important. Whether you lose or win, your behavior should be very good. Your behavior should people show that, okay, they lost. Today they lost the match, but the players are very good. They want to win. They lost. Sometimes happen, but behavior should be very good. They should go and obey the rules and regulation. After losing, they should go and give the hand to the opponent. Say you are good. Okay, today you are good. Tomorrow maybe I am good. So that these are all things that have to be taught by the coaches to the player. Even though senior player or junior player or youth player or university player, everybody, the behavior should be perfect. Another one I want to tell here, the behavior of the player, never think about the refereeing is something different. They are very good. They are doing refereeing. They are judgment people, judge of the match. We should not think about that. We should think about our performance. We should think about what we are doing, where we are committing mistake, where we are going to get the point. That's what we want to make it. We should not think about what the referee is doing. Okay, referee cannot do. He won't do 3-4 times mistake for you. Maybe one time. It's a human error. Possible. Because coaches has to say always the referee is good. Okay, no problem. He has given wrong. Okay, come back. Next ball. So like that you have to prepare. Conclusion for the training and following the competition. Always you should have conclusion for the training. Okay, what I am going to make for the training next day preparation. Because why I am telling every day, that day finished match, immediately coach, every player, okay, finish match. Thank you very much. Have dinner, have breakfast, have lunch, sleep very well. Okay, rest. But coaches start. All the coaches shoot together. What happened? Why we lost? Why we won? What is that things we needed? Why we want to put these things and all? Preparation. Again, preparation and for the next competition. Because 24 hours has work for the coaches. Because coaches don't think that simply I can go with the national team, I can stand there, I can enjoy. Because many coaches I have seen, very hard working. Many coaches I have seen, best workers. And then next one is after analyzing, communication is very important. Why it is important? If you don't have very good communication to the players, to the whatever you want, wherever you want, to the administration, to the Ministry of Sport, to the Sports Authority of India, or to the wherever you are a national team coach, or you are university team coach, or you are a departmental coach, or everywhere, the communication. Communication is a collection of convey the information. Whatever I am collecting, I have to convey the information to the players, convey the information to the federation, convey the information to the government, stating that this thing, sometime demonstration as well as verbal communication and body language are primary tool for the coaches. Because sometime if you are very young, because now I may be old now, some young coaches, very young coaches are there, they can demonstrate like Ankush, like Jivanandam, like Jual, like Gurjot Singh, like even Bir Singh. They are all demonstration. They can show some demonstration. You have to come like this. You have to attack. Demonstration is very important. And then verbal communication. Always telling verbal, telling that you have to move like that. You make a side step. or cross step in blocking. Everything you can be verbally communication. Then body language. Sometime I said, you make like this, you turn and hit, because these are all body action. Body communication also possible. Mastering these tools will not only allow the coach to better understood, but also to understand better. Because these are all things communication, if I'm having, coach having, it is understood that they are good, but sometimes you understand that you are very powerful. This lesson teaches the basic coach-player communication. Yeah, because the most important is player and coaches communication. Very important. You can see I was communication. I am communicating some players for some action into the Asian Games. Communication is important not only for the team cooperation, but also on the basic mechanism, and transferring is very important, because I am having more and more and more knowledge. If I am not communicating to the player what I want, what the team want, what we want, a good job, because I have to transfer my things and all to the player. Communication two-way road. One is giving information, another is getting information. We always, coaches, we say only, no. Coaches has to get more and more information from the player, from the team. Because why I am telling, the good coaches will seek information from the player. The best coaches always listen what the players are telling. The extraordinary coaches, like great people were there in India. I was telling last time also, the great coaches were there. Mr. Sham Sundar Rao, Mr. Ramana Rao, Mr. Buchi Ramaya, Mr. Kodan Ramaya, and Mr. Achyuta Kurup. Then we have a very good coaches like Gurubakh Singh sir was there. I was working as assistant coach. First time I was working as assistant coach. Vidyasagar Sharma sir. He was a wonderful coach, because all the coaches, they know that they will listen. They will seek the information from the player, how they are, what they are going to do today in the team, general area, subject about which they are in the doubt. Sometimes the players having more and more doubts, because every ball they have a doubt, because even though they had a very good training, they had 2,000 hours of training on playing, but still they are having a problem, doubt. Immediately they ask, sir, where I can do service? So you have to inform them. You have to take the decision and tell them this is the things you have to be. Even in the during training, about the drill, technique, and so on. And sometimes what happens, in the critical game is going on, sometimes we have to ignore. If they are asking, okay, because the tension of the player, because already it is going on very tense, we should not make more tense to them. We should listen, we should hear, we should say, okay, continue like that. Because why I am telling, in critical moment, if you tell something, it is not going good, then the problem comes to the player, problem comes to the team. Additional aspects of the coaching player communication. The communication information, giving, information getting can be realized in different ways. Example, including firm, sportive, fatherly, motherly, friendly, whatever type you want. You can give them on training. You can communicate them on the competition. You can communicate them even the lockdown. I was talking to the senior player. I was telling them, do this exercise in the home. Do sometime you on the spot running. Do something, because communication needed. Because suddenly the lockdown over, the team has to be prepared for the summer. You have to be, and then you should know each coach has their own style of communication. Because if I am there in some people, see, the children or the senior player, some people don't know my English, they don't know very well. So we have to communicate them. Hindi mein bolna chahiye. Hindi mein prepare karna chahiye. Sometime in Malayalam we have to say. Sometime in Tamil we have to say. Sometimes whatever language. If you are language, you know Kannada, you can speak with Kannada. Because why I am telling that children, the player should understand quickly. Afterward, is it that communication? Does it work? What I am telling, is it working? Not working? How does it work? Kaisa clear karna hai? How is it working? Not working? How it will work? And will a change in my style be needed? Yes. Because I have seen international coaches. One coach said to me, I am very much angry on the competition, Sridhar. Very much angry always. But sometimes I changed now. I am changing now because needed that you should change yourself. If the communication is not going good, you should change yourself and make them good communication. Now you can see that what are all things of the coaches do. We need a head coach. Okay, head coach is the main coach for the preparing the team, taking the team into the competition, making the players into the performance, bringing the result. Head coach, technical staff along with him, assistant coaches, fitness trainer, scouting video, medical staff, physiotherapist, medical doctor, and then psychologist, and then administration people. Now you can see many say that what is that, sir, you are telling about the assistant coaches. Why you are not telling about the head coach? Head coach is everything. We cannot leave him somewhere and we cannot bring him somewhere. No. He has to be there everywhere, so that no need of writing anything about him. He has to do everything. If he is taking as a head coach of the team, he is the man responsible for everything. Whether winning, losing, giving, everything he has. He had to give his report, totally report, good report on that what happened, why we are losing, what kind of things we are going to make in future, what is the team we needed, how that you brought the team, how was the tournament, what is everything by the. But assistant coaches, he or they should be professional. They should be a professional, permanent, should have a good skill in volleyball. Assistant coaches means not that you remove the assistant. They are also coaches. They are also working with that. They should know volleyball to help the coaching during the training, and the member of coaching staff that contribute the knowledge of the skill helping the coach. Because it's very easy. I can stand as an assistant to Parmesh. Okay, I am ready to work with the Parmesh because Parmesh is the chief coach. But I should make my knowledge to tell the Parmesh what kind of things I can help you. What do you want, sir? What is your planning? Where I can work? Because don't think that Parmesh don't know anything. Everything he knows. Everybody knows everything. But as an assistant to him, we have to ask them. We should, what we say, reciprocal on our knowledge. And then system, building effective system. The coach has a wide range of responsibilities. So he delegates some coaching responsibility among the assistant. Because why I am telling the assistant coaches are very much important in the volleyball. Because head coach is the planning, and then he will make everything. But assistant coaches, some specialized assistant coaches, because I had assistant coach Naresh Kumar, and then he was a wonderful player for giving training to the libero. I had a Rajesh Kumar from Jharkhand. He was a policeman. He was a very good disciplined man, and he is helping for developing some side of skills like service, reception. I used to call Rajesh, take charge, because I am with the setters. Like that you can prepare. It is within the coach's discretion on what type of assistant coaches you want. Because you should prepare as a head coach what kind of assistant coaches you want. Whether you want assistant coach as a physiotherapist, or you want assistant coaches as a trainer, or you want assistant coaches as a well knowledge of volleyball, or sometimes you want that younger coaches that they can demonstrate very well, and then they can make more effective on training. Because I prefer younger generation coaches should be the assistant coaches, so that they can demonstrate, they can take the team into the higher level. Let us sit back and think over the qualities that what you want. The quality for assistant coaches. Because assistant coaches means they should be loyal to the head coach, to the players, to everyone. They should be very much attached. It is not possible simply say coach is one way, other coaches are other way. No, togetherness. Togetherness will open-minded and willing to learn, not willing to teach here. Willing to teach is only head coach. Willing to learn, yes, along with the head coach, you also learn something. Able to understand. You should understand what is my role as an assistant coach. Next I am going to come what is all. You should know that what I am going to do, so that able to understand, display and act professionalism, establish good communication with head coach and players and fans, knowledgeable about the volleyball program. Yes, driven of motivation, willingness to serve. These are all things we needed for assistant coaches. They can work because time is going very fast. I have more, and his duty and responsibilities. Understand the head coach philosophy, because philosophy of head coach, the coaches who are the assistant coach or whatever third coach or whatever coach, they should also understand the head coach preferred, because even coaches, every coaches, they have one thing, like what Chavan sir told. I want zone 6 is a libero. The assistant coach is also preparing and helping them. Yes sir, zone 6, we can keep them. We will make it that, because my chief coach is telling, my head coach is telling, I understand. Hey, what do you want? I had to help them. In a practice, assist the group of players during the div. Yes, that's what Ali or any coaches, they used to take the group of training to the reception of service or setter training or libero training, group training. In full court practice, cover the distance area of the court. Yes, in full court practice is going on, how much distance they can cover, how they are doing. Maintain the team discipline. This is always there. Not only head coach, not only administration, not only that people. All the coaches should have good maintenance of the discipline. If you are disciplined, 100%, coaches are disciplined, 100% the players, the team will be disciplined. Follow all the team rules. Whatever the team rule, if they say 9 o'clock is the training, 11 o'clock is the meeting, all the things, whatever rules are kept by the head coach and prepared by the plan, the head coach, it will follow with the team. Discuss the practice and game plan with the head coach. Always, every day before going to the game plan, before going to the training, all the coaches meet, and then these are all things I am going to make. This is the program of today's program. You have to help this thing, and your work is this duty is this, my duty is this. Then only you can prepare the team. Advise the coach during the practice and the game. You can advise the head coach to the practice, during the practice, sir, this is the happening, this is the wrong is going, this is not going correctly, sir, this is the negative things we are getting, so that the head coach can also change. Tell the coach of all player injury. Every player injury should be taken care by the assistant coaches, and he will inform along with the doctor, along with the physiotherapist, he will inform to the head coach, this is the happened, sir. Make sure the head coach has necessary tool. Make sure that head coach necessary tool. What is the necessary tool? Immediately, I need some blocking equipment, or I need some referee stand for eating, or I need some boxes. Everything. He should make sure that whatever tools we needed, they should be arranging. Assist with the video review and note taking. This was fantastic. I want to tell you, because assisting the video review was the in 2004, I think, World Championship, Youth World Championship. Veer Singh was my assistant coach. He was taking all the video and all. He was making all the videography. And then he was showing to the player. We were showing to the player. He was so good in assisting of the video program. We came into the final. We entered the final. We lost the Brazil in the final with the 4th set. But fantastic coaches working. Because these are all things. Get to know the administrative personnel and support your program. The administrative personnel, you should know that. You should go talk to the regional director, talk to the assistant director in Bangalore or in Patiala. Prepare the thing. You should know everything. Make sure the player dress correctly. This was the main thing. Why I was telling this, the head coach was a very big things on all making. The dressing of the player for competition sometime happened. Without shots, a player have come. Sometime happened. The entire team was other dress, because we get the dress code, dress color, maybe other, because these are all checked by the assistant coaches. So enjoy yourself, cherish every minute and your coaching privilege, always enjoying. And then when the game players are coming out, help them with the selection. When the match is over, when the training over, the players are coming out. The assistant coaches always, because the players also, they never come to head coach. They are always with the assistant coaches. They are always talking to the assistant coaches because they are more friendly. Head coaches, they come only once if they have some problem. A fitness trainer, same like assistant coaches, we have fitness trainer. So that what he should be a professional. And he should be good organizing skill, and he should know that what is the player needed, and then where I can do that fitness on the training. And then because nowadays in international competition, the trainer will take the warming up, the trainer will take the physical fitness, everything he make. And he are required to create safe, specific workout routine for the player as far as his duty goes. Because his duty is make the team fit. I want that my players should be fit. All the 12 players or 14 players, what I am having, everybody should be fit for the tomorrow's match. Okay, today somebody injured, but that is prepared by the physiotherapist. And then fitness man has to give that he can play. So that he must give report from the time to time to the head coach about the player condition. Every often, the fitness man, the trainer should given to the head coach what is happening, sir. Whether all the players are okay, ready, like that. Because fitness trainer is nowadays needed for all the team. All age level teams, we needed a fitness trainer. Trainer must be there. Scouting video. Video scout should be needed for analyzing before, after, in the match, analyzing. Yesterday, Darshi Singh was telling that video and all how they are taking. Nowadays, they are fixed at the place. You can go and stand, video recorder, and you have a scout man sitting back to the stage, and then information given to the head coach through walkie-talkie. He can speak and he can say about the opponent team what is going on. According to that, you can change it. Now data valley has come for analyzing everything. Every situation is a data valley from 0 to 25 points. What the players are done, what they are lacking, where they are lacking, what kind of thing. Everything it comes to the data valley analyzing. Those scout video, when you go to the indoor stadium itself attached with the video and everything. You just go and keep the laptop, put the button, automatically in the match screen, the match will come. You can download, or you can see the match, you can type, you can send a message to the head coach what is happening. That's what. Because one thing I want to tell here, if anybody wants to make a video, scouting video, they should have their own equipment. It is not possible buying somebody and giving to you. You should have your own equipment and bringing that. Make video for the team and opponent also during the competition. Hand over the statistic result to head coach or assistant during the game and keep in touch with the team. Yes, always preparing that list of that thing, what is happening, immediately giving after one set, then a head coach can read and he can change something, whatever you want, substitution. And then what is going on, everything is taken by the scouting video. The medical staff, physiotherapist. Physiotherapy is very important after the match or before the match, because we had a very good physiotherapist from Rajasthan with the Indian team, and he is making very nice preparation. And in between the competition, because you should know that the trainer, the physiotherapist or medical doctor, if they want to sit with you in the substitution bench, they needed the FIVB license, FIVB accreditation card. Then only they can sit. Otherwise, India, we don't have any people trainer, any medical, anybody on physiotherapy don't have FIVB, so that they can sit only on the back of the team. So only before the match they can prepare, after the match. In between match, we have to ask the referee if anything happen, then he will come and take the player. Do his best to make player to get back into the court, explain to the head coach about the player condition, do some soft massage to the player if possible. Because medical physiotherapist, same way the medical doctor, he cannot be a permanent, he can be sitting somewhere, he can help us because anything can happen anytime. Because this is a speed and agility game, very faster game, so that the injury can be happen immediately, anytime. So that we have to prepare, we should have a medical doctor, so he can prepare the team very well before and then. Psychologist is also very much necessary now, international level. All the top teams are having psychological, and they are giving pep talk, and they are making psychologically what the things needed for the team to develop. Administration. This is the main thing for the like us Indian team. Our manager, who is going to come from the federation, is a very good, and he should be a very good. How the court preparation, he can see, he is making all arrangements. All the managers are doing everything. Whoever comes as a manager with the team, they are making, because manager is must. The head coach cannot go leaving the training, cannot go and see the transportation, other thing. The manager taking care of transportation, food, water, etc., dealing with the media, whatever media you want to give the report, you want to give a suggestion, you want to give whatever you want of telling about your team, it's possible. And then sportswear, fitness club, where I want to go for some strength training, I can tell the manager, and then equipment, whatever, etc. Things are taken care by the manager. Manager is a very heavy job. From starting of the team, before 1 week, he will come to the training, and then he will see that what is happening, because he will prepare a very good report to the government, the federation. Because why I am telling manager is very important. He is the first man to lead the team into the international level. Wherever we go, they ask who is the manager, who is the head coach. These two only, the head coach only for competition, and manager for everything. So he has to prepare for everything. So this is the way that I communicate the players, and finally I come. Thank you very much, coaches. All the coaches, thanks for attending online educational course organized by SAI and BFI. This is my last class. Then I'm going to listen only up to the 4th. And thanks a lot for all the coaches who are joined with us in that very good online courses. I always pray to all the coaches, stay good in the home and stay safe and be happy. See that lockdown will be clear another 10 or 15 days. Then afterwards you will come to your job and do your work and all. Another thing I want to tell all the coaches, please see that many works are there for you. You are listened up to now many things. You are going to see that many things. Tomorrow, Kumara sir is going to take psychological things, so that you prepare your PPTs, you prepare your own, and make your team into the higher level. Thank you very much, coaches. If any question is there, Mr. Ankush. Mr. Ankush?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm seeing questions.
I don't think what.
Sir, one question is, if both the teams get Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
If both the teams get incomplete simultaneously in the 5th set, what will be the result?
What mean by incomplete? What mean by incomplete? What is mean by incomplete? There is no incomplete.
Yeah, yes.
Both the team incomplete means how it possible? Not possible at all. I have never seen something different.
Only for maintaining.
If they're nervous, what we can do? If the team is nervous, then we have to give a pep talk. We have to see that, take the team into the timeout and say that you can. Don't be nervous. Sometimes happen. Sometimes it is coming that because inside body, the blood, sometimes it became a very chill. Cannot be hot. So it is possible that we have to tell the pep talk. We have to motivate them to bring them into the competition. Regarding training duties, trainer's duty, whether the trainer's duty
after lockdown, what?
Actually, see, the trainers cannot have anything on technical, tactical. No, the trainer, but see that the trainer is different. You make assistant coach as a trainer, that is different. If you have 2 assistant coach, the trainer is separate. That trainer never involves on your tactics and technique. But if you have assistant coach who is working as a trainer, then he can be sometime because he is assistant coach as well as trainer. So he can be sometime helping your technique. Otherwise, the trainer, he can come inside and help something, but he cannot tell anything about the technique or train tactics development. Anything? Something asking. What? Ankush? Nothing is there?
Nothing, sir.
So, thank you very much, coaches. Once again, I thanks to Sports Authority of India, especially DG Sai and our own regional executive director from Bangalore, and all the members who was helpful to make this online success. And Volleyball Federation of India, special thanks to Ram Avtar Singh Jakat, Secretary General, and other all members of the Volleyball Federation of India. Thanks everyone. Again, we will join back after some time. Thank you and good day. Okay. Okay, Ankush.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shall I go out?
Yes, sir. Please.